We now look at the sample exam questions. These are questions from the past paper. So we are starting with the 2020 paper, 2022 paper 1 and question number 13. And the question is, in the following diagram, this diagram, AB, and AC are tangents to the circle, center O. This is a circle with the center O. Then we are told that AC, where is AC? AC and BE, okay, produced meet at D, and angle BAC is equal to 54. So there must be a correction there, not BE but BO. So, it must be BE. It means that there is E. At this point there is E. So AC and BE produced, they meet at D. They meet at D, and angle angle BAC is equal to 54. The question is, calculate ACB. We calculate ACB. Now, we are finding ACB as our question number A, ACB. How do we find the ACB? Maybe before we go to finding ACB, I want us to do something here. What we should know is that if they are saying this, there's a center O, it means that the line that passes through the center, it is a diameter. Now, a diameter is made up of two radius. This means that from here, from the center there up to B, or from the center up to E, these are radius. Now, we need something to say, a radius and a tangent, where they meet, they make a 90 degrees. What do I mean? What I mean is that this angle here is a 90 degrees because there's a tangent as well as a radius. Where the two meets, they form a 90 degrees. So, there it is a 90 degree. Now, the question is, we find the ACB. ACB. What angle is this? What angle is that? So to find that angle, we are going to say 180 minus 54. Whatever we are going to get, we are going to divide it by 2. 180 minus 54. Whatever we are going to get, we are going to divide it by 2. Why by 2? Why dividing it by 2? Remember, there's somewhere where we learned that two tangents, they are equal. As long as they are tangents, they are equal. So this means that this tangent here, AB, and also AC are equal. Now, if they are equal, it means that the angles which they are going to form, they are also equal. So what I mean is that this angle here, and this angle is equal, or these two angles are equal. Now, if they are equal, and ABC is a triangle, no wonder I'm saying 180. Why 180? Because angles in a triangle add up to 180. So we are going to say 180 minus 54. Whatever we are going to have, we are going to divide it by 2. So we are going to say 180 minus 54. The answer, it must be 126. 126 will be the answer. So 126 divided by 2. and 126 divided by 2, the answer we are going to get is 63. So this means that angle ACB is equal to this one, which is also equal to, I'm just adding something, which is also equal to angle ABC. If you have the angle question there to say angle ABC, of course it's not there. The answer is we have just found there for ACB. It will still be the same answer because they are both equal. Question number B. Question number B is finding CBD. CBD. Now, finding CBD. We have been told, or we have already discussed that, or we have already discovered that ABD is 90 degrees. So to find the CBD, it will be 90 minus ABC. This one we got here. So ABC or ACB, not I mean ABC. Okay, which is 63. So this one will be 90 minus 63 degrees. So 90 minus 63, what are we going to get? If you, from 90, you take away 63, we are going to have 27. So 27 will be the answer for that. 27 will be the answer for that CBD. So it will be 27. Now we go to question number C. By the way, this one has 1 mark. This one also has 1 mark. This one has 2 marks. So already we are going to get 4 marks from this. You come across such kind of question in the exam, paper 1, please hammer it. Don't miss it. Endeavor to get all the marks. We go to question number C, which says CDB. CDB. What angle is that? What will be angle CBD? Now, to find the CBD, you bear with me. I'll write it here. To get CBD, it is the same as doing this. We have D there. There we have A, there we have B. We have been told that there it is 90, that is 90 degrees. There we have 54 degrees. What is this angle here? Since that is the triangle. So we are going to say 180 minus 90 plus 54 degrees. So we are going to have 180 minus 144 degrees. What is 180 minus 144? What is 180 minus 144? The answer we have is 36 degrees. We are going to have 36 degrees. So that is the answer we have for that question. Let us look at yet another exam question. Let me just bring another exam question. Another question, this one is also coming from 2022, paper 1 GCE, and this was question number 17. The question is in the diagram, in the following diagram, A, B, C, and D are points on the circumference of the circle. A, B, C, and D are points on the circumference of the circle. Center O. There's a center O. Then we are told that BD is the diameter. PD is the diameter. Then we have AD. AD is equal to AC. I'm sure we are seeing this, and we are also to say those are equal. And the angle BDC is equal to 22. BDC is equal to 22. Question number A, calculate angle BAC. Now BAC, it is equal to BDC. We learned something of such kind. This angle here, it is the same as this angle because they are all at the same arc. They are making the same arc, or I mean the segment. They also have the same segment. They are also subtending on the same segment. So this means that the answer there will also be 22 degrees. We go to question number B where we have CBD. CBD. Okay, CBD. What is CBD? We have to find the CBD. Now, CBD, it is the same as CAD. It is the same as CAD. Now, how are we going to do it? How are we going to do it? So what we are going to do to find, we need to find the CAD. How do we find the CAD? We know that CAD, it is that angle at the center divided by 2. Maybe I bring in this concept which I've been bringing always. When you are answering circle theorem, it is advisable to first fix all the angles, or you fuse in all the angles, necessary angles, so that when you are answering questions, you are just picking some answers. So allow me to first fill all the angles. What I have come to understand that this is the center. It means that this is the radius. Even this one is a radius. Even that one there is a radius. Even that one there is a radius. So this is a triangle. So if this is a radius here, it will mean that even this one, it will also be 22. Even that one, it will also be 22. Now, to find this one here, we are going to say 180 minus 44, because 22 is 44. So 180 minus 44, the answer we are going to have is that there it will be 6, there it will be 3, 133. So meaning there it will be 136. Now 136 divided by 2, so that we get that angle there. It will be this one into there, it will go 6, the remainder 1, there it will go 8. This means that there it is 68. 68 is the angle for that. If that is 68, it will also mean that this one is also 68. So, that is what we have. We are finding CBD, which is the same as CAD. They are both 68. So that is the answer. Allow me to continue. Now that this one, this line and this line are equal, it will mean that even the angle, this angle and this angle is the same. That angle and that angle is the same. So we are going to say, since this is also a triangle, we are going to say, allow me to do it here, separate. We're going to say 180 minus 68. And the answer, we know it is 130. It must, no, not 130. 180 minus 68. Let us do it. There we are going to have 2. There we remain. So it will be 112. Now, 112 divided by 2. Because these two are equal. There it will be, it goes 5. Remainder 1, there it will be 6. So it will be 56. 56 is this angle. 56 is also this angle. So 56, now we're going to say 56 minus 22. Why 22? Because there's already 22 here. So I just want to find that angle there. Or just to find that angle. So it will be 6 minus 2. The answer is 4. 5 minus 2. The answer will be 3. So it will be 34. So this means that this angle here is 34. And also that angle there is 34. So those are the issues we have. That is what we have. It will be 34. Now let's go to question number C. I just thought of first fixing those so that when we come to answering, we won't have challenges. So C says we find the A, C, O. Have you seen? A, C, O. We have already found the answer. The answer will be, actually, I will say the answer is equal to A, C, D minus 22. Now, what is A, C, D? The answer we found was 56. So 56 minus 22, our final answer will be 34. So 34 is the correct answer for question number C. Remember, this one is 2 marks, this one is 1, and that one is also 1. So these are the answers we have. Thank you so much. Let us also, or rather, let us continue looking at the other sample exam questions, at least 2. Let us look at the other 2. Thank you.